Hey everyone, I'm back at the Sleep Sherpa store here in San Diego, and I want to highlight today the Cube pillow. The Pillow Cube is a really fun pillow, obviously a unique design because as you can see it is just a cube. Now I'm going to do a little unboxing here because that's half the fun. As you can see, they got this really cool design here, some fun little sayings, you know, dear naps, I'm sorry I hated you as a kid. With a great pillow comes great sleep. So right off the bat, you know, you can tell they're taking a sense of humor about it. When you unbox it, they've got a nice colorful inside, continuing that playful design. And this looks like a little mattress in a box, which was kind of cool. They also have a nice little thank you card from Pillow Cube, a little bit of info on it. Again, they try and be a little humorous here. Don't feed your Pillow Cube, don't feed it after night. Asking you to leave a review. So, like I said, this does look like a little mattress. And so, you know, you just cut it open like you would, like I always do with my mattress unboxings. It's gonna be shrink wrapped. And this is kind of fun, you get to watch it come to life. As we open this, it's gonna look kind of underwhelming. You're gonna be thinking, hey, what the heck did I pay all this money for, right? But as you can see, it's already coming to life. And a few things about Pillow Cube. I highly recommend the Ice Cube version. It's only an extra 30 bucks, but you get this cooling fabric that is extremely noticeable. I mean, right from the touch, you're gonna notice right away that it is super cool. It's gonna keep you cool all night. Look at how fast that just came to life. They've got their nice logo here. Another logo here. You can get the Pillow Cube in different sizes. The one I just opened is a 6-inch. It's their thickest one. And the way you want to choose your Pillow Cube is really kind of the broadness of your shoulders. So if you have really broad shoulders, you're going to want to aim for a 6. 5 is usually what most people go for. And if you have more of a petite frame, I would start taking a look at the 4-inch. And I can kind of lay these out so you can tell. But before I do that, I just want to unzip it so I can show you what's inside. So this is where kind of the magic happens. This foam is extremely soft and doughy, but also breathable. So it's just gonna cradle you perfectly. I mean, obviously I've spent a lot of time on foam mattresses, cutting open foam. And I will say that this design, although it looks pretty simple, I can tell that they're using quality foam and they really dialed in the density of foam so that when you lay across it, you're only going to sink in the optimal amount. It's not going to be too much, too little. It's not going to feel too hard or too soft. So let's just take a comparison here. So here we've got our 5-inch. And I'm going to pull out a 4, or actually I'll pull out, I'm sorry, this is the 6. And then I'm going to pull out a thinner one. So that brings us down to the 5-inch. And then we've got our 4-inch. So let's look at these from the side here. And you can just see profile-wise, you gradually increase depending on how broad your shoulders are. We also have the non-iced version, which is going to be just a nice soft fabric. You know, it's 30 bucks less, but in my mind, it's a night and day difference. Pretty much all the customers at our store want the iced version. Another big question we get is, hey, what kind of pillowcase do I use? Well, you can use any kind of pillowcase, but Pillow Cube has actually designed their own pillowcase. So it's this one with a very breathable fabric. Again, nice little pouch, playful design. Just pop it open. And it's a nice stretchable cover, so it's optimized not only to fit the pillow correctly, but also be breathable enough where you actually can still feel that cooling technology. I'm just going to slip this on kind of like a sock. And notice how it has this envelope cover, no zippers to snag on or anything at night. Machine washable, super easy. It's just going to keep your Pillow Cube nice and clean. So who do I recommend the Pillow Cube for? Well, obviously it was designed for side sleepers, and a lot of times the issue with side sleeping is when you get a beveled pillow, you find yourself crunching it up. But the Pillow Cube is just going to go right into your shoulder. And so you're not going to have an issue of constantly pulling it in to get the proper support. And it's going to be thick enough where you can lay on the mattress without having to put your arm in and having your arm fall asleep over the course of the night. So that's one huge advantage. The other thing is Pillow Cube is still versatile enough for back sleeping. So even if you are a side or back sleeper, this will still work. So head on over to sleepsherpa.com. We're going to give you the full review. If you're in the San Diego store, we do sell these at a considerable discount as well.